I would say that often people use the word customer service and customer experience interchangeably. And I understand why they do that, because in many ways, those two phrases have very similar meanings. But I think there's some clear distinctions between the two. I define customer service is the assistance that we provide, that a company provides to those people who buy or use its products. Whereas customer experience is how our customers perceive those interactions. As a result, customer service has a tendency to be more reactive. The customer has a problem, they reach out to us, I don't understand, I have a problem, we help them. Whereas customer experience, I believe, is more proactive. It's what are we doing before the customer reaches out to us to let them know that we care, to let them know that we are committed to them using our product or using our service and getting the value out of it that we promised when they originally decided to become a customer.
A succinct reply, which is very valuable. So we should start with customer service, but aim for customer experience, for reactive to proactive.
Right, I think you want to have both. And so you need to have systems in your business to be ready to react if something goes wrong. But from the moment you start designing your business, you should be thinking about the emotions that you want your customers to have. What can you do to create the kind of interactions that will leave them feeling well taken care of, surprised, delighted, and excited to talk about your business and your offerings to their friends and family?